In today's video, I'm going to teach you about understanding the basics of WordPress, an essential tool for anyone looking to build a website. When you venture into the world of WordPress, you'll encounter two main options, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. It can be confusing at first, but once you get a handle on their differences, choosing the right path becomes much clearer. Let's begin by looking at WordPress.com. Think of this as a fully hosted service. It's akin to renting an apartment. Everything you need to get started is right there. You simply sign up, select a theme, and begin publishing content without the need to worry about hosting or maintenance. This setup is particularly appealing if you're a beginner or someone who prefers a hassle-free experience. Just like living in an apartment, however, there are limitations. You can enjoy what's provided, but major changes or customizations, like knocking down walls, are not an option. On the other hand, WordPress.org represents the self-hosted software alternative. This is akin to owning a house. You download WordPress, choose a hosting provider, and gain full control over customization. This version gives you the freedom to make any changes you desire, much like how a homeowner can renovate their property. However, with this freedom comes the responsibility of taking care of everything, from updates to security and backups. It's ideal for those wanting full control and scalability. Now let's explore some key differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org to help guide your decision. When it comes to hosting, WordPress.com has it all included. You won't need to seek out a separate hosting provider. In contrast with WordPress.org, hosting is something you'll need to arrange on your own. It's a critical step, as selecting a reliable provider is essential for the performance and reliability of your website. Consider your domain name as well. WordPress.com offers a free subdomain, something along the lines of mysite.wordpress.com, or you can opt for a paid custom domain. With WordPress.org, purchasing a domain is a separate task and expense. This part is crucial for branding your site uniquely. Speaking of costs, on WordPress.com, you have free options, though there are limitations compared to their paid plans. WordPress.org involves expenses like hosting and domain fees, providing a sense of flexibility, but with associated costs. Customization is another significant aspect. WordPress.com has limited themes and plugins, which might be perfect if simplicity is your goal. Meanwhile, WordPress.org empowers you with unlimited themes and plugins, making it ideal for those eager to customize every feature and functionality of their website. It's perfect for anyone looking to delve deep into design and add varying functionalities. Furthermore, consider monetization. WordPress.com has restricted options for ads and sales, whereas WordPress.org opens the door for full control over ads and e-commerce. This is worth considering if monetizing your site is a priority. Finally, maintenance on WordPress.com is seamlessly handled for you. Automatic updates and security are part of the package. In contrast with WordPress.org, you're in charge, responsible for updates, backups, and security measures. To sum it up, if you're a beginner who desires a quick and simple site, WordPress.com might be your best bet. But if you wish for complete control and long-term scalability, WordPress.org is definitely the way to go. Whatever your needs, there's a WordPress path tailored to fit.